If you've had bluebonnets in your home landscape for a few years, you likely now have them in a few places that aren't so convenient. They do like to get around. If you catch them small enough, you could try to transplant them, or put them in pots to give away to friends. But if they're pretty mature and have flower blooms showing, it would be best to wait until after they've flowered to make a move. You could even harvest the seed once flowering is done. Jennifer Vince-Rixick in Van Alstyne spotted this small patch of pink bluebonnets in a field last April. Pink is a recessive color, so the seed from these pink plants won't necessarily produce pink plants if harvested. All the surrounding blue plants will cross-pollinate them, most likely leading to blue offspring next season. You can purchase pink, white, maroon, and other bluebonnet seeds directly from growers who separate them from blue plants in order to keep the flower colors distinct prior to harvesting the seed. Bluebonnets, along with fall-blooming asters, are among the plants suitable to grow in the 30 feet around your house, considered the defensible zone in Firewise landscaping. These plants are low-growing, staying close to the ground, so they don't easily spread embers to a home's roof. In the 10-foot perimeter around your home, use plants that are low to the ground, green and healthy. Avoid putting highly flammable plants like rosemary or Yopon holly within 30 feet of any structure, especially in front of your windows. Keep plants and organic mulch well irrigated. And Firewise maintenance includes keeping shrubs small, along with proper pruning and prompt removal of any dead or dry vegetation. Use materials like rock, stone, or pavers to create a buffer around the home and plants. Inorganic mulches such as decomposed granite, gravel, or rocks are best for areas that abut the house or decks. The Texas Forest Service has some great information on preparing your landscape if you live in fire-prone areas. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your pictures, questions, and videos.